Hi, I'm Inez Simpson, creator of the Simpson Protocol, and we're going to be making a short video on an advanced self-hypnosis workshop that we're going to do. But first of all, you know that this is outside, the grapes, everything's nice. But there's also this lurking little eagle that's very low, and he comes in and he takes little rounds, and just a bombardment by, the hummers. But anyway, I'll have to wear my sunglasses because it's so bright. Well, now let's get back to the workshop. Self-hypnosis, the Simpson Protocol way. Now, you may or you may not have heard of Simpson Protocol, and we work in deep states, and we get you into a place where you can connect with that self, that super conscious world. Now, the hypnotist usually makes the client go through the whole process and then gives them triggers and then moves on. So I just wanted to say we're doing it with a group. So we'll be having a group session. Everyone will get the same, a full meal deal. And you'll get the triggers. You'll get this, have it so you can use it continuously yourself, by yourself, and getting what you need. Now, besides that, we are going to include the website. It's going to have at least 10 audios on it of Simpson Protocol style hypnosis. So the benefit is that you are working in those higher states, deeper states, whatever we use, and they continuously are there. The workshop won't be extended till June and July. It'll be in June or July. So know that for sure, and then it'll be three hours plus, because I don't know exactly what it'll be. So it depends on how much people sign up, how much they do, and how much questions they have. So it could be anywhere 3 to 4 hours. So you'll get the full session and the triggers. You then will get the questions of how to use it, for what you want to use it for. And each one will be helped. And because of that, it'll be a small class. But you will get the triggers, you'll get the audios, and you'll get everything you need.